Welcome to my channel. I've been watching many channels for over a year, and I've tried a lot of products and things that were on other people's channels, and I thought that some of them really didn't work, but I found one that actually did, and it was for hair treatment. My hair was falling out. It was probably right here, so it grew 2 inches about, and I used this product, Amla and Neem. I couldn't find this neem oil anywhere in the United States. I ended up going to Taiwan and getting it. So after I came from Taiwan, about 1 week after, I found it at an Indian store. So what I do with this is I take the neem oil, I put it in the applicator bottle, and then I put about 1/4 of amla in it. So that's the mix that I use. Then all I do is I start applying it to my hair. And if you have short hair like me, it doesn't take that long because you only apply it to the scalp. And so I start off by applying it to the edges all the way around.
Go.
As you can see, I have applied it to half my hair. You just really apply it to your scalp because that's what you want to stimulate, is your follicles, hair follicles. So I just keep going. You can pause it. Well, after I part.
Okay, so I'm talking right now. Go subscribe to my channel, Duds McKenna. So she's gonna apply it to her scalp. See how like she's parting it. Sorry guys. And then she's gonna apply it and rub it in. Okay, guys. See you guys in a little till she's finished. Okay.
As you see, I applied it to my whole head. And then I take something to stimulate my follicles even further. I just go for probably about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I take my hair and I wrap it around
Into like a little bun type of thing.
If you have really long hair, you might have to clip it. But after that, you want to wrap your hair for at least 45 minutes. And I bought Reynolds food wrap, a big one. It's less costlier that way. It costs initially $15. That will last you approximately a couple years. You can use it for all kinds of things. And then you just wrap your head.
And guys, why she wraps it so like if she lays on something or touches something, it doesn't get oily. So like it helps that, I guess. Or I don't know.
Yeah, and it also holds in heat. So you leave it on for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'll shampoo it out. Thank you guys for looking at my channel.
Pause. And if you're starting a YouTube channel, you should get this tripod. It hooks onto things. And you can just stand it up like she did, or you could hold it to vlog, or the person that's filming you can video you. It's really nice to get it if you're filming with your phone and you don't want to get a camera, or you can't afford a camera, or you just like filming with your phone better, and it's better, like it's easier for you to post that way.
Alright.
So yeah. So we're gonna show you guys how she cleans it all out. Okay, guys, on to that take.
Here are the shampoos that I use. Pantene. And also Garnier conditioner. And I just started using this keratin mask for damaged hair. I just started applying it to my hair. This is the third time.
Okay.
So now you just remove the plastic from your hair and you rinse your hair with not too warm water, but a warm water.
Make sure you get all of it out.
So I use my shampoo. So you wash your hair, rinse and repeat. But a lot of times I wash my hair with just plain baking soda if I'm not going to apply any oil to it. And I'll show you that mixture another time.
So if you want to see that, please turn on your notifications.
Yeah, notifications when new things come up. Now you apply your conditioner. I love conditioner. It makes your hair so soft. And you bring it all the way to the end.
And also, if you condition your hair, it helps your hair be less tangled when you brush it. So, yeah.
And I just massage it a little bit. And then I rinse it. Usually leave the rinse on my hair, the conditioner, 2 to 5 minutes.
So right now, I think she put the shampoo, right? No, she put the, shampoo.
I did the conditioner.
Oh, you did both?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she already did both.
And then I just use a towel. And it's my understanding that you're not supposed to wrap your hair. So just put it around your hair. And then you brush out your hair.
And a tip is to brush out the ends and slowly brush up, like, not brush up, but like, get the brush the ends and slowly go up.
My hair is short enough where I can just
so she could just go straight through. That's how
with my fingers.
Yeah.
But I don't know how long that will last for. This is my challenge that I'm starting for today until next March 1st. And we'll see the progress.
Is next March, so next year.
Okay, guys. See you later.